and this pattern is repeated time and time again. Over the past few years, our colleagues' sales have on average dropped 40%. Not only do they continue to experience shrinking margins with dwindling profits, but their customers are buying from online stores and big box retailers. Over the past 20 years, Innovations International has been gathering intelligence from rug retailers, from distributors, and from manufacturers. We have gathered collective knowledge from all the major vendors like Nurasan, Sofavia, Laloy, Shaw, and over 30 others, and we didn't stop there. We reached out to you, the retailer, to stores like Oscar Isberian, World of Rugs, Odegaard, Landry and R. Carey, and hundreds of others. We brought together a team of computer scientists from all over the world who analyzed the industry's common problems and best practices. They took all that collective knowledge, wisdom, and information and used it to program software products specifically designed for the rug business to make the best of the best accessible to everyone. Imagine a world where you can quickly and easily find the rug she was looking for. A world where the searchability, visibility, and efficiency of the .com is replicated in your brick-and-mortar store. Imagine a world where you not only compete, but you thrive. Well, that world is today, and that world is powered by Innovations International.